What is up, everybody? Welcome to the week of Daytona Supercross. Coming into the weekend, obviously, we're going to go over the injury report and starting with the 450s, as always. Sadly to say, Adam Cianciarulo will be out for another week with his wrist injury that he got in Arlington. He missed last week. He's going to miss this week. Who knows about forward onto that? Dylan Ferrandis was supposedly in. I don't know if this has changed or not, but after his crash and press day, which you can see right here, who knows? He says, as far as the injury report that I'm looking at, it says in, but that could change. The constant, sadly, Brendan Hartranft still out, just out, always. Marvin Musquin, he's going to be out for the remainder of the season too with his wrist injury. We already knew that. Alex Ray with the thumb. He broke his thumb in Tampa, so he'll be out, maybe back for Indianapolis or Detroit, I want to say. Justin Rodbell with the Achilles tendon tear. He's gone, or out. Joey Savacci banged up this week. Apparently no major injuries, just banged up, sore. He's going to be out this week. Justin Starling is in with his knee, and on the other side, Malcolm Stewart is out with his knee. This sad to say, but on the 250 sides of things, Vince Friese, we're not even going to talk about it anymore. I don't even care. He's not racing this year for all I know, or for all I care. Seth Hamaker is out with his arm and wrist injury. Preston Kilroy is out with his wrists. That's an S. Both of his wrist injuries. Garrett Marchbanks is out with a wrist injury. Hardy Munoz. I don't know how to say his last name. Sorry for the butcher. Is in. If you saw his crash last week, getting full rammed by the bike in the whoops, sucks, but he's apparently in. Nick Romano is out with a knee. Joe Shimoda is out with his broken collarbone, and Shalik Swall is out with his broken arm. These lists are getting big. There's a lot of people missing out of these things, but comments below, you tell me, who do you think is going to win this one? How well do you like the track? Do you like Daytona because it's, the outdoor kind of mix, motocross, supercross track, whatever it is? Do you think Eli Tomac's going to dominate it like he normally does because he's always good in the outdoors? Whatever it is, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to hear it. I want to hear your opinions and your thoughts and whatever. Personally, I like the opinions because, hey, the comment section's there for a reason, right? And as you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things you can this platform allows you to do, because obviously playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.